So this is the video about how to get started at HPTI in terms of taking a course. Once you've registered and you've received your email from us, you're going to click right here where it says click to log in. You're going to type in the username we gave you in the email. You're going to type in the password we gave you in the email. You'll click log in, and now you're signed into HPTI's website. And it looks almost identical to the site you were just at, except there's this new button that says Student Learning Portal. Now this is an important part of the site, obviously, because it's the place for students to learn. And if you just click on the button that says Student Learning Portal, it'll give you a page with videos like this one that tell you how to get around in the school, how to make things work, how to make things easy. There'll be all sorts of additional information about upcoming classes and information like that. So just clicking on the word Student Learning Portal is a good thing to do. But that's not the only thing to do, and I'd like to continue in a separate direction. Because you see it's also a drop-down menu. And any course you sign up for will be listed in that drop-down. Now, of course, we've only signed up for one class, and so you see one class, which is HYP100, which is Intro to Hypnosis. So you go ahead and you click right there on HYP100, and it, of course, takes you to the page for this class. Now, each course at HPTI has its own discrete web page, and the web page is designed to give you all the information and everything you need for the entire class. So once you sign up for a class, if you have any questions about the course, the web page for it is the best place to get started. So let's take you through all the different parts that are in there. The first thing that you see is there's a nice big picture of the instructor's face, just so you get to know who the person is. You see that there's just the basic course instruction, the name of it, and the instructor, and then into a course description and goals and objectives for the course. This lets you know what's expected of you and what you can see coming. Pretty simple and straightforward. As we scroll down, you see required text. And now in this course, you'll see this first one is a PDF that is a clickable link. And the book below it, in this case it's Transwork by Michael Yapko, is just text for you to go find the book on your own, whether it be on Amazon or Barnes & Noble or wherever else, and there's options for you. Some courses, the only text is clickable. Some courses, the only text are going to be hard copy books. In this example, there's a little bit of both. And you see below it, there is your assigned reading for each week. And this is to keep you on track. This is to keep you accountable so you know what we expect you to be doing week to week. Great, simple. So far, we moved down to lectures. Now, this is the real meat of the school and, in this case, this course. What you have is different videos broken up into weeks. And we have each one of these buttons, week 1, week 2, week 3, is a clickable link with a playlist of videos for you for the week. Now, you don't have to watch them all in one sitting. You click the button, you watch a few videos, and you come back to it at your pace. You'll see right here we have the password is Wonka, and we change the passwords every now and then for security, so just be aware of what it is. So if I were to show you, if I were to just click on your week 1 lectures, what you get is a new page that shows up. I type in the password Wonka, and we hit submit. And here's what we have is a playlist of videos. Now if I were to press play, the video would start, but you don't need that. You'll get it from there. And you'll see that there's quite a few videos for you to watch every week. So let's come back to this page. So you watch your videos, and we'll scroll down and you see below the videos is your class lecture topics. Now your class lecture topics, this is just an outline for you to kind of see what kind of information you're going to be getting yourself into step by step along the way, and just simple stuff. And below that is course projects. Each course has a different assigned project for the students, because we understand that there's just basic information you need to be tested on and to prove that you know it. But hypnosis is also a creative component about integrating information. And so the projects we have are designed to help you integrate the information and to create and synthesize based on what you've been learning in the class. So in this specific course, you see there's a couple different projects and a place of where you're going to be sending the projects and when they need to be done, basic formatting instructions in terms of how to name the project, and so on and so forth. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and don't worry, there'll be a place to ask questions in a moment. But before I tell you about that, I want to tell you about the final exam. You'll see that there is, just objective testing. It's all multiple choice testing that you'll be doing online. And this just tells you the basics of it and the time limit you have for the course and all that. We also say that the course has a deadline, and in this case, the class has a 2-month deadline because there's 6 weeks. Or excuse me, 5 weeks. So you have that much time to do the videos. Below that is the last thing I want to show you, which is a thing called the bubble. Now, the bubble is a dedicated forum we have for each class. Now, when you sign in for the first time, it's going to look like this because obviously we haven't logged in. The subject of the next video will be showing you how to do that, but the general idea is that this is a place for you to ask questions from the staff, from other classmates. As you're going through videos, this is a great place for you to type things for collaborative learning. And that's basically it. So as you see, there's a whole lot of useful resources on any one page for any one course. And every course we have at HPTI is structured the exact same way. Every page for every course has all the information you're going to need. So that's how to get started at HPTI. I hope this helps.